Hi there. How well do you know your anxiety? Um, is it social anxiety? Is it situational? Is it generalized? Has it started leaning into phobia, OCD, panic? There are different sort of ways of approaching each of these. And I think it's really helpful when you actually understand which of those is most dominant for you, because actually once we become anxious, that anxiety might have started off situational. It might have been something at work, it might have been something in a family or a friends group or something like that, and then it starts kind of bleeding into other things. It becomes, you become more concerned about doing social stuff, or you become with generalized anxiety, you become worried about being worried, and where that might end up for you. So I think that it's really helpful for you to understand which of those is your mind's preference, actually, because you do lean into it. So the thing about social anxiety is that it's treated with exposure therapy, which is sort of baby steps, but it's a way for you to just get back into very, very small social situations, on the periphery of something, and then getting closer. So that's exposure therapy. With generalized anxiety, one of the main things that is useful is something called worry time, and that's when you begin to control your worry. So when you have a worry, you actually choose the time in the day, the same time every day, and you say to that worry, I'm going to come back to you. So that and you do come back to you at 4 o'clock. You honor your brain, you honor that commitment to come back to it. But if you do that, it allows you to let it go at the time that you're having it, so that you then are beginning to control the worry rather than the worry control you. If it's situational, there's say it is a family thing or a work thing, that's slightly more problematic, but it is actually, there are certain techniques that we would use, or I would recommend in my practice, that are again sort of ways for you to actually feel that you are becoming more empowered in a situation rather than the situation overpowering you. So good to know which of those, which state you find yourself in most anyhow. I hope that helps.